Is VLDL cholesterol harmful? To slow down the rate of oxidation of VLDL lipoproteins, it is important to ensure the intake of antioxidants through the diet. VLDL cholesterol is made up of very low-density lipoproteins that can be harmful to health. It is found in a small proportion with respect to total cholesterol, since it constitutes a fraction of LDL cholesterol. Experts today do not classify an increase in the concentration of these lipoproteins as dangerous, but in their rate of oxidation. For this reason, it is necessary to carry out a series of strategies with the aim of modulating the lipid profile and reducing the rate of oxidation of this lipoprotein. It is necessary to prevent the oxidation of VLDL cholesterol. The oxidation of VLDL could increase the risk of formation of atherosclerotic plaques, which is harmful and dangerous for the cardiovascular health. In order to reduce the oxidation rate of these lipoproteins, it is necessary to make certain dietary changes. The first of these is to increase the consumption of foods from the plant kingdom. Many of these products contain substances with a marked antioxidant character. An example is lycopene from tomatoes. This nutrient reduces the formation of free radicals and also the oxidation rate of the lipoproteins that make up total cholesterol. Some foods help modulate the lipid profile. On the other hand, there are products in the diet that are capable of positively modulating the lipid profile. These foods manage to increase the proportion of HDL cholesterol and reduce that of LDL and VLDL consequently. Mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids fulfill this function. They can be found in vegetable oils, oily fish, and nuts, among others. Another class of nutrients, such as fiber, are also capable of influencing cholesterol levels. It has been linked to the reduction of cardiovascular risks. One of the hypotheses put forward to support this statement is its ability to positively influence the reduction of VLDL lipoprotein oxidation. Restrict foods to prevent oxidation of VLDL. Just as there are foods in the diet that are capable of modulating the lipid profile and reducing the rate of oxidation, there are others that have the opposite effect. This is the case of processed products rich in trans fat and simple sugars. Trans lipids, originating from subjecting oils to high temperatures, have inflammatory effects and promote oxidation. There are other lipids with inflammatory properties such as omega-6 fatty acids. However, these are essential in human nutrition. It is only necessary to guarantee its balanced relationship with respect to omega-3 acids. Other substances such as alcohol help promote the effects of oxidation and increase cardiovascular risk. For this reason, it is important to restrict and, if possible, eliminate its consumption. Cholesterol can be bad. Although total cholesterol has traditionally been linked to cardiovascular risk, it has now been shown that this is not the case. To minimize this situation, it is essential to carry out certain dietary strategies. Many of them involve increasing the consumption of vegetables, characterized by containing antioxidant, vitamins, and phytonutrients. On the other hand, it is beneficial to increase the intake of omega-3 fatty acids, since they are capable of positively modulating the individual's lipid profile. Finally, it is worth highlighting the need to reduce the intake of all those foods that can promote oxidation and inflammatory processes. An example is the processed, rich in trans fatty acids and additives. A healthy diet always prioritizes fresh food over industrial food. Another characteristic case is that of alcohol. This substance is capable of increasing cardiovascular risk and worsening markers related to health. Therefore, it should be avoided.